If you find your ikigai and then work in it, then you will be unreplaceable. In an island named Okinawa in Japan, there are people who live more than 100 years, and the people living in the age of 80 they go to work and they never retire. They lead the most happy and peaceful life. They are very happy because they use a formula known as Ikigai, which means the reason for living. They believe that everybody in this world have come for any aim, and this aim is their Ikigai. If you do any work which is not your Ikigai, then you will be stressful and unhappy. And the good news is that anybody in this world can follow this Japanese formula and just find their aim. After passing the school, you have to make a decision that what your aim is because you spend most of your life doing work. Somebody will tell you that do what you love, and the others will tell do what you are best in, and the others will tell that which gives you best money you have to do that, and the rest will tell that you do what the world needs. And this all are a wrong advice. Ikigai is a combination of all of this. Is any of this is missing in your path, then you will lead a sad life. The first circle is what you love, and the second circle is what you are good at, and the third circle is what you can be paid for, and the last and the fourth circle is what the world needs. If the first and second circle combines, then you will get your passion. If these two circles mix, then you will find your passion. For example, you like coding and you gain useful knowledge and apply it and what you are very good at. And if the second and third circle mix, then you will get your profession, means what you are good at, and people will also pay you for that. For example, you like coding and you have make a app which for you have got paid. And if the third and fourth circle mix, then it will create vocation, means what the world needs, and you are doing that, the world will pay you. For example, you will create a mobile which the world need and you will get paid. And when the first and the fourth circle mix, then it will be your mission, means what you like to do and the world's need that, then it will be your mission. Problems occurs when you just find your passion, but it's not enough. Passion is just a part of ikigai. You have to find a thing that will satisfy all the components. For example, you love blogging and you have practiced and you have become good at it, and then the world also like your blogging, and then they will pay you for your blogging. This means blogging satisfy all the components and it's your ikigai. You have to find the work that satisfy your passion, profession, vocation and mission. And at the middle of this you will find your ikigai, means the thing that you love to do, what you are good at, and the world will pay you and what the world needs. And if you can satisfy the components, then you can lead a happy life. For example, Sachin likes to play cricket. He is very good at it, and then he get paid for it, and the people also like his batting. Means Sachin's is playing cricket is his irigai, as he is satisfying all the components. And if you can satisfy it, then you will know your irigai, and then you will live a really satisfied and very happy life. Flow state is this kind of state. In this you will not realize what the other world is doing and you will be focused on your work. Due to this, Steve Jobs also liked the architects and engineers of Japan. He once visited a factory and he learned much things from there, and he also implemented in his Apple company. He also got the idea of regular uniform. One of the most famous Japanese animator Hayao Miyazaki is so much dedicated in his work that he do not take any holidays, and at the age of 79 he never get tired with his work because he has found his irigai. At the age of 90, Zero Ono is the world's best sushi maker as he has found his ikigai. Finding your ikigai and working on it make you a really expensive person. The best example is Mark Court, a coachline painter of the world's most expensive car company Rolls-Royce. He draws lines with his own hand and he is unreplaceable for many years. You will not find your ikigai immediately, but intuition and curiosity will help you find one. And you have to just work hard and harder, and when you will find it, you will feel very impressed by yourself. I have learned all this stuff by the book Ikigai written by Hector Garcia and Francesc Miralles. This is a very nice book and it's a Japanese secret. So if you want to read this book, then I will give the description. If you find some value with this video, please like it and please subscribe my channel for more updated videos. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and bye.